Hi there.
Alok is a young entrepreneur or businessman. He really work very hard and want to produce very creative things for their company. Alok tried very hard for getting new customer. He want a website built that brought customers to his company. And he's not owner of his time. Until he found Shopweb. Now Alok is happy, because Shopweb increased his organization's credibility. Now Alok has the time to do creative stuff for which he loved the most. So what is the secret of his happiness which is provided by Shopweb? Shopweb gives the best quality website all over the world, and that too at low price. Which is also include responsive and effective website. Now Alok can have a vacation anywhere, without any work burden. And his company's future is secure. Now see, lots of customers have started coming to Alok's company. If you also want to increase your organization's credibility, then contact us today by visiting our website www.shopweb.in.